Welcome to Krishi Sanjeevani. Today we will be dealing in detail about silver revolution. In the last few days we have discussed about golden revolution and white revolution. Let us see what silver revolution is in detail. Silver revolution. Amongst the top agrarian revolutions in India, silver revolution has colossally contributed to the Indian economy, especially the agriculture sector. The silver revolution is related to the tremendous growth in egg production and was supported by various government and private firms. It took place between 1969 and 1978 under the ministry of Indira Gandhi. The visionary behind this poultry industrial revolution was late Dr. B.V. Rao. Indira Gandhi is regarded as the mother of silver revolution since she initiated this movement with the aim to bring a boost in the poultry industry. What is the silver revolution? The silver revolution is related to the immense growth of egg production in India by using advanced methods and technologies to enhance efficient growth in poultry farming. The silver revolution was started in 1969 to 1978 and medical sciences and innovation played an important role in this revolution. It took place for a period of 9 years and made India stand as the third largest egg producer after China and the USA. The Indian government policies, private companies like Venksys as well as scientists and veterinarians played an important role in boosting egg production in India. The scientists led the spectacular silver revolution by the hybrid of cocks and hens, which resulted in increases in poultry production. Features of silver revolution. The silver revolution had laid various objectives to increase the production of eggs for the consumption of safe and healthy foodstuffs. Here are the salient features of silver revolution. Larger firms must adopt advanced technologies and adhere to biosecurity protocols to prevent diseases. Promoting medical applied sciences to achieve hybrid cocks and hens. Enhancement of the quality standards of egg products to meet the requirements of countries like the Middle East and Japan that have good markets in the poultry industry. Promotion of egg products consumption in midday meals and hospitals will maximize demand and ensure sustainable food for all. The eggs must be clearly packed for purchase from supermarkets and must be labeled for the nutritive value and expiry date. Being a fragile commodity, long distance supplies and exports must be planned with careful mass production. The Poultry Development Index was made for the major poultry producing states of the Indian Union and states were classified in ascending order of WPDI. Challenges. Despite the tremendous effort, there were a few challenges faced during the implementation of the silver revolution. Export had slowed down in the northern and southern areas of the world because countries had begun their own poultry production. Social issues around the large farm unit cause a limitation in the poultry industry. Untreated chicken waste causes environmental pollution and leads to the emission of harmful gas and bacteria. Facts about silver revolution. The silver revolution saw a successful development in the poultry sector of India. Apart from the increase in egg production, it also helped in employment for women in rural areas. Silver revolution is a very important topic. Here are the important facts about silver revolution which we must remember. In just 25 years, egg production has gone up to 90 billion. Production is slowly getting more organized, which has increased in consumption, resulting in optimum prices. The industry of poultry farming has also provided direct or indirect employment for over 1 million people. India produces the best quality hatching eggs which can be exported to the African nations. The leading poultry producing states in different regions are Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu in the southern region, West Bengal and Bihar in the eastern region, Maharashtra in the western region and Punjab in the northern region. Poultry production in India is considered to be the third largest egg producer after the USA in China, as well as the fourth largest chicken producer after China, Brazil and USA. It is observed that over the span of past 25 years, the production of eggs have risen up to 90 billion. Observing the exceptionally high growth in poultry sector as compared to other sectors like agriculture, many major developments have taken place to sustain this. Since it is recommended to consume 180 eggs and 10 kilos of chicken per year, there is a vast scope of development and production enhancement in this sector. The poultry production in India has three segments. One, layers industry eggs. Layer units with tens of more birds are now being set up. Mainly 70% of the layer bird houses were set up in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Punjab, whereas other states the eggs were transported. Now better production units are coming up in states like West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. 2. Broilers. The broiler bird was discovered in India in 1975. Prior to it, the chicken was only male birds or spent hens. The commotion broiler bird is ready in 60 days that contains more tender meat. The broiler industry has undergone tremendous technical work to enhance the nutrition value and genetics of the birds. With the help of advancements, now the growing period of broiler bird has come down to less than 40 days instead of 60 days. Backyard or family production, both eggs and chicken. It is very evident that poultry has been a part of various Indian households and their backyards. It is also observed that at one point of time, 30% eggs out of the total were produced in the backyard. However, both birds and eggs were inefficient for quality production. Thus, to induce better results, the government has now started to encourage backyard poultry. Development in poultry sector in India. The stage of poultry farming in various states of India were uplifted by constructing developmental indices that were based on factors such as the ratio of improved birds with respect to the total population and poultry, layer parent stock, total number of hatcheries along with their performance. During the construction of the Poultry Development Index, the states having lower WPDI were the first ones where the poultry farming setups were made. Assam, along with other northeastern states, were ranked as lower states, whereas Telangana was presented as the most developed poultry production states. The Silver Revolution has made a remarkable impact on the Indian poultry sector. India's overwhelming population still requires firm policies for the future that ensure sustainable and environmental friendly production of goods.